guys, your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun is here. We want to welcome you all to this channel, Adeyemi Oluwaseun, and this channel is all about teaching and showing you different opportunity, either paid or free, to make money online. So if you are new to this channel, kindly click on subscription button so that whenever we upload any video on this channel, you'll be getting updates and earlier, and make use of the tutorial that we upload. All right, so today I'm going to talk about sizing arbitrage. So, and before we move to the platform, let me quickly tell you one or two things so that you know maybe you are going to watch this video from the beginning to the end, or you are going to stop it right here. Okay, so on this platform, you are going to need some things for yourself to make money. Yeah, on this platform, the first thing is you need a YouTube account. And as you are watching this YouTube, definitely you have a majority of you guys, you already have YouTube. But once you have Gmail, automatically you have YouTube account. All you need to do is just to, it's not that you'll be uploading video or running adverts for anybody. Then you're going to need Instagram account. You can just create an Instagram account. If you have a particular Instagram account that you are using for yourself or doing some other things, you can actually create a demo, like another one. That's what I mean by demo. So you'll be making use of it and to use it on this platform to make money for yourself. Then on this platform, this is a tested and proven and tested platform, right? So on this platform, you're going to do simple tasks by, there are advertisers on this platform. They put their adverts on. They want their social media to go viral. They want some things to happen on their own social media. So what you need to do is they will supply you everything they're going to do. For example, if one advertiser comes, he might need comments on a particular post on his Instagram, and he will give you what he wants you to post. So all you need to do is just to copy that thing and paste it on his Instagram as a comment. Then you earn, right? So, and each task on this platform, you complete it within 30 seconds. So you can complete one task within 30 seconds. On this platform that I want to talk to you today, it is better for you to use Android phone or use mobile phone, because of sharing to Instagram, because of sharing to YouTube. So I advise you that you should be using mobile phone to run this business and make profit for yourself. So now let's go back to. All right, so this is the platform called viraltrend.org, right? So this is just like, look very simple, like a forum, right? So then today you can see that this platform have 149,618 members, and the total withdrawal, I think, for today is 17,804. So this is a platform where people are making a lot of money on a daily basis. So you can see today's withdrawal, that is total withdrawal for today, 26th January 2022. So on this platform, all you need to do, you can see all you need to do right here is just to go to my description below. You're going to see a link there, because without that link you cannot sign up to this platform. So you must go through that. That's how they design this stuff. So now once you click on that link right there, so I'm going to take you to this place right here. So what you need to do, see, you can see registration. So you're going to put your name, like your name is Yemi. I'm gonna put your okay, let me just put Shin, right? So now I'm gonna put let me use ovation at gmail.com. So I'm gonna click on start. So when you click on start, it will ask you to choose a country, then your state. You're going to choose Lagos state. Enter your password. Enter your password there. So you can see on this place, I'm going to choose which one you want to do. There is an advertiser's account, but you want to promote and earn. That is the Arbitrage site. So you want to promote and earn, right? So then you're going to click on this place. Then you have to enter which username that you want to use for yourself. Let me just say add Arbitrage. Let me just pull that, add Arbitrage. Then you're going to click on, so you're going to choose promote and earn, right? So then the next thing is just to click on this. So now it asks you to go to your email address and confirm this. So you can see, so now let me just go through email address. So I plug into the mail and confirm and activate this account there, right? So then the next thing I'm gonna do right here is just to go and log in to the platform. So you're gonna type in the email address. I'm gonna type in the password. Then you click on login. All right, so once you log in like that, so then you can see something like dashboard right here. So you just click on the dashboard. All right, so once you click on dashboard, you can see right here we have two plans right here. One says what is basic and the other one is premium, right? So now you can see on this basic, you can see earn from social media task. And whenever you tell anyone, maybe one of your friends, you're gonna earn 25% of this money, right? So then if you choose to be a premium, then you can see you're still going to earn from social media task and also earn 40% for your direct referral commission. It means if you refer anyone, you are going to earn 40% of this 1,500, and that is about 500 Naira or thereabout. So so you have to choose any one of them. You have to choose, but I would advise you to choose this one that said 1,500 Naira, so that if you tell anybody or if you direct anybody to this platform to earn, so you too are going to earn 40% of this amount. So you can just choose on, click on select. See select, then you're gonna see next. So it asks you to pay with your card. It asks you to pay with your card. I see that it's loading right here. So it asks you to pay 1,590 Naira with your card, and your card is very safe, right? So you can also pay with bank or with USSD code as well. You can also pay with the bank transfer. Also pay, I can pay bank transfer, USSD. This is USSD SSD. Then you can also make use of your ATM card to make payments on this platform, right? So now let me log into one of the accounts and show you the inner, because we have to show you what they are doing inside it before I will stop this video. So after you have made the payments, you'll be able to log in and have access to everything to complete any task and make money with the task. So make sure that you log in on your phone, and make sure that you have your Instagram and YouTube account ready that you want to be using to make money on this platform. So now let me just click on close dashboard. Click on dashboard. So when you click on dashboard, you're gonna click on if you click on profile, you have to click on profile. So on this profile, you can see that my bank account, everything is there. So you see your own where you're gonna put your bank account as well. You can see that I'm a promoter and premium, right? So then we ask you to link your Facebook. Link your Facebook, you link your Twitter. You need to have a Twitter account as well. You link your Instagram, you link your YouTube, right? So that is how you're going to be linking everything that is right here, right? Why I said you have to create new link ones if you know that you are using the current one, social media one that you are using before, right? So that is how exactly this platform works. So you can enter your bank details right here, your own details right here, so you can see your Facebook username, you put it here and click updates. Then Twitter, you put it and click on update. You can see that I've already linked my Instagram and linked the YouTube right here. Then if you now want to do your task, all you need to do is just to go to dashboard right here. So see your referral link is going to be here. So you want to refer maybe your friend, all you need to do is just to copy this link and give it to your friend. When your friend sign up, then you're going to earn 40% of that 1,500 Naira. Then I can see we have some task right here. It says Instagram like, Instagram like, Instagram like. But because I cannot do this right here because I'm not on PC. Because I'm on PC, suppose that I'm on phone now, mobile now, so I can perform this task. You can see, note, use Instagram app to perform all Instagram tasks. You must use the same browser to complete all the tasks to avoid not getting paid by our system. You must be logging into the required social media account before performing a task. Can you see that? So then perform only the task you are required to, and do not close the page or pop-up opening by the platform. Not perform any task will lead to account blockage or ban. So you must not lie here. So you must perform the task before you get paid. So if you already performed the task before, we will still pay you. Do not unfollow or to follow or unlike to like, right? When you want to do your job, right? So you can see reward is just 3 Naira per like. That is, if you want to like this page, 3 Naira. So all you need to do is just to click on view more. So once you click on view more, so you can just go through all this, then you click on accept task, right? So you're going to click on accept task. So then let me just click on accept task. Then it will start loading, but it is better to go through this on your phone. You can see we have just like once a minute. So what you need to do is just to click on this. And I just want to make use of this so that then what you need to do is just to like. So that's all. Then it will start. You can see start counting down, counting down, counting down. See that the job has been, I just performed it right here. So then now it's counting down. When it will load, you can see, so then you want to click on done because I have performed the task. So they will ask for the Instagram username that you used. So I'm going to put it here. Then your viral, that is email account that you use. But I'm not going to, because this is not the Instagram that I had here. But I just did this one, so at least to show you how it actually works. So then email address. So you're going to put your email address that you use to open this viral trend account. Then you click on submit. So once you do that, they will credit you immediately, and you see your money as your money is growing. So then go to wallet right here. So once your money reach 5,000 Naira, so you're gonna be pleased to withdraw. Then you can withdraw your money to your bank account, right? So that is how this system, that is how it works. So that is how it works, right? So guys, this is something that you can easily do and make money from it if you have time, at least 1 hour in a day, 2 hours in a day, 3 hours in a day. You know, it depends on, according to the calculation that you make right here, that if you have like 7 hours in a day, you can do up to 5,040 Naira. If you have 1 hour in a day, you can do like up to 720 Naira. And if you have just 1 minute in a day, you can do up to 120 Naira. That's no, sorry, it's 12 Naira, sorry. So this one is supposed to be 6 Naira, 6 Naira, 6 Naira, 6 Naira, not 120, it's 6 Naira, right? So you can see if it is comments, that if you see anything like comment there, you're gonna see 6 Naira, but I mean, like is 3 Naira. Like is 3 Naira reward. It is comment is 6 Naira reward, right? So that is how everything is actually going right here. So thank you very much. If you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you very much. I remain Adeyemi watching.